Next we are discussing prove that pi by 3 root 3 is less than integration 0 to 1 dx divided by 1 plus x square plus 2 times x power 5 is less than pi by 4. So this problem we have to solve. So you can see here limit is 0 to 1 and both side we have pi. Then what you will do? Now solution. So fx we can take what? 1 divided by 1 plus x square plus 2 times x power 5. So both side we have pi and limit is 0 to 1. So what you will do? We have to find out two functions gx and hx. Gx and hx we have to find out such that fx should lie between gx and hx. Okay. So x value is what? X belongs to what? 0 to 1. So one thing we can do, 1 plus x square plus 2 times x power 5. Okay. So here instead of x power 5, if I write x square. So if I write x power 5, we are writing x square. So 1 plus x square plus 2 times x square we are writing. Okay. Next what we are writing? This one we are writing 0. So what will come? 1 plus x square. Now here x power 5 and x square. X power 5 and x square. Which one is greater? Okay. In the interval 0 to 1. So we can say x square is greater. So if I multiply here 2, so 2 times x power 5 is greater than 2 times x square. Then if I add 1 plus x square, so we can say 1 plus x square plus 2 times x power 5 is less than 1 plus x square plus 2x square. Okay, so we got this one is hx and this is fx. Then we want less than this one function. So if we check 1 plus x square and 1 plus x square plus 2 times x power 5. So definitely we can say this is what? Smaller than this one. So we can say this is 1 plus x square. Now here we want 1 divided by this one. So take reciprocal. 1 divided by 1 plus x square is greater than 1 divided by 1 plus x square plus 2 times x power 5 is greater than 1 divided by 1 plus x square plus this one we get 3x square. Okay. Now take limit 0 to 1 integration dx integration 0 to 1 dx integration 0 to 1 dx. So this one integration what? Tan inverse x limit 0 to 1 is greater than integration 0 to 1 dx divided by 1 plus x square plus 2 times x power 5 is greater than 0 to 1 dx divided by 1 plus 3x square. This one integration we have to do. Okay. So here we can take 3 common first thing. So if I take 3 common, 1 by 3 is outside. Integration 0 to 1 dx divided by, this will come out 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 plus x square. So what will come here? Tan inverse 1 is what? Pi by 4 minus tan inverse 0 is what? 0 is 0 to 1 dx divided by 1 plus x square plus 2 times x power 5 is greater than 1 by 3 integration 0 to 1 dx divided by, this one we can add what? 1 by root 3 whole square plus x square. And we know integration dx divided by a square plus x square. This one is what? 1 by a tan inverse x by a will come plus c. So what will come here? Y by 4 is greater than integration 0 to 1 dx divided by 1 plus x square plus 2 times x power 5 is greater than 1 by 3. This one integration if you do, what will come? 1 divided by a is what? 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 tan inverse x divided by a is what? 1 by root 3. Limit is 0 to 1. This will come. So y by 4 is greater than integration 0 to 1 dx divided by 1 plus x square plus 2 times x power 5 is greater than. So here what will come? 1 by root 3. 3 divided by root 3 is what? Root 3 we can write. Now tan inverse, if I put 1 here, so root 3 will come in numerator. So this will come what? Tan inverse root 3 minus, if I put 0, so tan inverse 0 is what? 0. So what will come? Pi by 4 is greater than integration 0 to 1 dx divided by 1 plus x square plus 2 times x power 5 is greater than 1 by root 3 and tan inverse root 3. What is tan inverse root 3? Pi by 3. So this will come. So you can see pi by 3 root 3 is less than this integration is less than pi by 4. So pi by 3 root 3 is less than this one, and this is less than pi by 4. This is your proof.